morning, students. Today we will solve for these two word problems of practice set 9. Write the following examples using fractions. See, if 9 kg rice is shared among just 5 people, how many kilograms of rice does each person get? So we have to form fraction among this. See, 9 kg of rice is shared, that is distributed to 5 people. Therefore, the fraction is fraction. The fraction will be equal to as 9 by 5. 9 by 5. Then each person will get it. Therefore, each person gets 9 by 5 equal to as, if we divide 9 by 5. 5 ones is 5. Yes, minus 4 remaining. So, if you put a pointer and take a 0, 5 8s are 40. Minus 0, 0. So, that is equal to 1.8 kg of rice. So, each person will get 1.8 kg of rice. This is by division. Now, next one, to make 5 shirts of the same size, 11 meters of cloth is needed. To make 5 shirts, 11 meters of cloth is needed. How much cloth is needed for one shirt? Same way. Yes, here also the fraction will be fraction is equal to as 11 meters divided by how many shirts? 5 shirts has to be made. Now, cloth needed for one shirt. Therefore, cloth needed for one shirt is equal to as 11 by 5. That is equal to, by division, 11 divided by 5. 5 2s is 10. Minus 1 remains. Put a point. Take a 0. 5 2s is 10. Minus 0 0. So that is equal to 2.2 meters of cloth. See, therefore cloth needed for one shirt is equal to 2.2 meters. Children, in the previous video we learnt addition of fractions. Today we learn subtraction of fractions. I have taken a simple example here. 6 by 13 minus 4 by 13. Denominator is the same. When we have fractions with same denominator, then it's very easy. With only 2 steps we can solve it. So take the common denominator and directly take the numerator 6 minus 4. So this is equal to as 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 by 13. We got the solution. Now, if we have mixed fraction like this way, 8 3 by 5 minus 4 2 by 3. Denominators are different here. Yes. So we have got as like in addition you learn two methods. The same way for subtraction also we have got two methods. So method 1. First method, see what we have to do. Write the question to 8 3 by 5 minus 4 2 by 3. First we have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. That is, you have learnt already, multiply plus 8 5 is 40, 40 plus 3 is 40, 3 by 5 minus 3 for the 12, 13, 14. 14 by 3. We have got in this way. Now different denominators. So, sorry, for the first method we haven't to solve it by converting into improper fraction. Sorry. Method 1, see whole numbers 4 and here whole numbers 8. So here 8 minus 4 we have to do. Then plus we have to take this one as 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. We have to do cross multiplication of this. 8 minus 4 equal to 4. 4 plus. Here cross multiplication is, see, with different denominators, 5 into 3. Now cross multiply. 3 3s are 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus. Here, or otherwise I will show this. See, 3 into 3 minus 2 into 5. 2 into 5. So, we have got here 4 plus in the bracket here. This is a 9. 9 minus 5 to the 10 upon 3 5 is 50. Now, this is 4 equal to 4 plus in the bracket now 9 minus 10. Integers you have learnt, that is you have learnt what? Subtraction of two numbers. If both the numbers have different sign, then subtract and put the sign of the greater number. So it is minus 1 by 50. Now open the bracket. Plus into minus is minus. 4 minus 1 by 50. So again here we will get this one as cross multiply 15. 15 4 is 60. So it is 59 by 50. Now we can convert this into improper mixed fraction, that is 59 divided by 15. 15 threes are 15 threes is 3 5 is 15 carry 3 4 45. 15 fours is 60. 4 5 is 20 carry 2 4 4 5 6. So we can take 15 threes is 45 minus, if you do 4 here 14 will remain. So we get the answer as 314 by 15. In this way we have to take this, then like this way. Yes. So 314 by 15. This is the answer. This is why, because we got here 9 minus 10 minus 1 by 15. So plus into minus is minus. Then again we have to subtract this by cross multiplication. 15 fours is 60. 60 minus this one numerator as it is. So 60 minus 1 will give you 59 by 15. Then convert this into a mixed fraction. So we get the answer as 314 by 50. This is of method 1. Now we go to method 2. Method 2. So I'll write down the question. 8 3 by 5 minus 4 2 by 3. So we have to convert this into mixed fraction. Multiply plus. Multiply plus. 8 5 is 40, 43. 43 by 5 minus 3 4 is 12, 13, 14. 14 by 3. Different denominators, so do the cross multiplication. Denominators 5 into 3, then 43 into 3 minus 14 into 5. So it is equal to 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 129 minus 5 4 is 20, 0 carry 2, 5 1 is 5, 6 7 by 3 5 is 15. Now this is equal to as. Now we get see, 129 minus 70, 9 and this is 5. 59 by 15. We had got here also 59 by 15. Now convert this into mixed fraction in the same manner. 59 divided by 15, we had got this. So 3 is the whole number, 14, put a line, 14 is the remainder, and then 15 is the denominator as it is. So 14 by 15 is the answer we have got for both the methods. Now third example of subtraction of fractions. I have taken this example 9 5 by 6 minus 5 2 by 3. So by method 1. First method 9 5 by 6, I am writing the question, 5 2 by 3. We have to take the whole numbers. So this is equal to 9 minus 5 plus here in the bracket you take only the fractional part, 5 by 6 minus 2 by 3. Now this is equal to 9 minus 5 is 4 plus fractional part, do cross multiplication. 6 and 3 are the denominator, 6 into 3. 6 3 is the, then cross multiply 5 into 3 minus 2 into 6. So this is equal to 4 plus here in the bracket 3 5 is 15 minus 2 6 are 12 upon 6 3 is 18. Close it. Now this is equal to 4 plus, now 15 minus 12 is what? 3. 3 by 18. So this is equal to 4 3 by 18. This is the answer. Yes, by first method. Now it's method 2. Second method. Now write down the question, 9 5 by 6 minus 5 2 by 3. So we have, this is mixed fraction, convert into improper fraction. Multiply plus. So 6 9 are 54, 54 plus 5 4, 55 6 57 58 59. 59 by 6 minus 3 5 15 16 17, 17 by 3. So this is equal to as. Now do cross multiplication. 6 into 3. So 59 multiply by 3 minus 17 into 6. Into 6. So this is equal to 3 9s are 27, carry 2, 3 5 is 15, 16, 17. 177 minus 6 7 are 42, carry 4, 6 1 6, 7 8 9 10. 102 by 6 3 is 18. Now subtract this, 177 minus 102. 7 minus 2 is 5, 7 minus 0 is 7, 1 minus 1 0. So we got 75 by 18. Now this is an improper fraction, converted into mixed fraction, that is 18 divide 75 divided by 18. So see, 18 4s are 4 8s are 32, carry 3, 4 and the 4 5 6 7, 72, very nearest. So 4s is 72 minus, we get 5 minus 2 is 3. Here this is 0. So take the whole number as 4. This whole number as 4. Put a dash here. This remainder 3. Then go to the denominator, that is divisor, as 18. So we got 4 3 by 18. Here also we got 4 3 by 18. So this is the solution of this by method 1 and method 2. Now let us start with the practice set 10. Here, solve for practice set 10. Third question, word problems. First one and second one I am solving. Third one is cancelled. Now first one. Suyash brought 2.5 kg of sugar and Ashish brought 3.5 kg. How much sugar did they buy all together? So altogether how much sugar they have brought, that we have to find out If the sugar cost 32 rupees per kg, cost of 1 kg sugar is 32 rupees. So how much did they spend on the sugar they brought? Now, so sugar brought by Suyesh is equal to as 2.5 kg. 2.5 kg. Then sugar brought by Ashish is equal to as 3.5 kg. So how much sugar did they buy altogether? So total sugar bought, total sugar brought by them, sugar brought by them will be equal to 2.5 plus 3.5. So we'll do it by first method, 2 plus 3. Then plus here half plus half. So 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus, half plus half is 1. So 1, I will write. So 6 kg of sugar they have brought altogether. Now, what is the cost of sugar per kg? So, cost of sugar per kg, sugar per kg is equal to 32 rupees. It is equal to 32 rupees. Therefore, cost of sugar, that is cost of 6 kg of sugar. 6 kg of sugar will be equal to 6 into 32. That is equal to 3 to the 6 to the 12. Carry 1, 6 3 the 18, 192 rupees. So 192. What is the question? How much did they spend on the sugar? Therefore, amount spent on sugar. Therefore, amount spent on sugar is equal to as 192 rupees. This is the solution of this question. Now, we go to the next question. Aradhana grows potatoes in 2/5 part of her garden. A big garden she is having. In that 2/5 of the part, she has grown potatoes. Greens in 1/3 part, and again in 1/3 part greens are planted, and brinjal in the remaining part. In the remaining part of the field, brinjal is planted. How much of her plot did she plant brinjal? So how much space of the what part of the farm did she grow brinjal? This we have to find out. So now let us add these two first. Part of the farm or part of the plot, potatoes planted. Part of the plot, potatoes planted. Potatoes planted is equal to 2 by 5. Then in the same manner, part of the plot, greens planted is equal to as 1/3. So total part of the plot, potatoes and greens planted is equal to as 2 by 5 plus 1 by 3. we can do this cross multiplication. 5 into 3, then cross multiply 2 into 3 plus 1 into 5. So this is equal to 2 3 is a 6, 6 plus 1 5 is a 5 upon 3 5 is a 15. That is equal to 11 by 15. Now we have to find out, so this much part of plot, that is potatoes and greens are planted. Now in the remaining part brinjal is planted. So we have to find out what part of the plot brinjal is planted. So therefore part of the plot brinjal planted will be equal to 1 minus 11 by 15. 1 is considered as the whole plot. So one whole number minus 11 by 15. That is total of potatoes and greens planted. So we have to take this whole number as make it into a fractional number by putting 1. So now do cross multiplication 1 into 15. So 1 into again numerator is 1, 1 into 15 only minus 11 into 1. 11 into 1. So this is equal to 15 ones is 15 minus 11 ones 11 upon 15 ones 15. That is equal to 15 minus 11 is 4. 4 by 15 part. So 4 by 15 part of the planter, part of plant brinjal planted. Yes, therefore part of brinjal planted will be equal to as a 4 by 15 part. Now we are going to learn how to plot fractions on the number line. This is I had drawn the line. Now fractions are given example 1, 2 by 5, 6 by 5, 1, 2 by 5, then 12 by 5. You can see the denominators are all 5, 5, 5. Now I have to divide this number line into equal intervals. This is 0. If you can take with your scale as 1 centimeter, yes, or 2 centimeters as you get. I will just take 1. It must be of the same measure. Okay, now I have divided this as with the equal distance. Now this one first line you have to take it as 0. Next one is 1 by 5. Denominator is this 0 means it is 0 by 5. Next 1 by 5, 2 by 5. I have plotted 2 by 5 here. Make a circle 2 by 5. Then 3 by 5 comes. 4 by 5. 5 by 5. This is equal to as unit 1. Yes, it is 0, then it is 1. Then 5 by 1, then 6 by 5. 5 by 5 it is equal to as 1. Equal to 1. Then 6 by 5. So I have to plot 6 by 5. So make a circle here on the number line. Then 1, 2 by 5. This is mixed number. So convert into improper fractions. So this is equal to as 5, 6, 7. 7 by 5. So next one is 7 by 5. So make again a circle here. Then 6 by 5, 7 by 5, 8 by 5, 9 by 5, 10 by 5. 10 divided by 5 is it is unit 2. Equal to unit 2. Then 11 by 5. Then 12 by 5. So 12 by 5 I have to plot. And 13 by 5. 14 by 5. 15 by 5. This is equal to as unit 3. So 12 by 5 lies between unit 2 and 3. This is enough because more numbers are not given. Yes. So in this way you have to show the fractions on the number line. Now we are going to learn multiplication of fractions. Multiplication of fractions. 3 examples I have taken, and this is the word problem. It is based on multiplication only. From practice set 12 only one word problem is there and the other one is cancelled. So here see multiplication of fractions, how to do it. I will write down the question. 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4. In this way cross 2 and 4. 2 and 4 are the multiples of 2. So I can cancel this number. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are is 4. Cancel it. And the remaining 3 and 5 I cannot cancel. So what I have to do is that numerator into numerator. Here numerator 1 is remaining into 3. Here denominator 5 into 2 is remaining. So 3 1s are 3 upon 5 2s are is 10. This is proper fraction. So we cannot do anything with this. Leave it as it is. Now the second question. Here see, these are two mixed fractions given here. So I will convert them into improper fraction. 6 3s are multiplied. 6 3s are 18 plus here I'll write down the question. It is 3 5 by 6 multiplied by 4 1 by 2. 3 6 is 18. 18 plus 5 18 19 20 21 22 23. 23 by 6 I get. Multiply by 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. 9 by 2. Now see 6 and 9 are the multiples of 3. So I can cancel it. And 23 and 2 I cannot cancel. So here 3. 3 2s is 6. 3 3s are 9. Have tables. Read the table properly. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. So now take the numerators. 23 into 3 upon denominators 2 into 2. Multiplication numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. If any this way cross or this way cross cancelling, you have to cancel, or otherwise directly you have to multiply numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. That's what you have to do. So 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6 upon 2 2s are 4. This is an improper fraction, so I can convert it into mixed fraction. That is 69 divided by 4. 4. See, 4 1s is 4, remaining 2 remaining, bring down 9. 4 7s is 28, remainder is 1 here. So therefore it is equal to as 17 is the whole number. Then 1 is the remainder here, 1 by 4. Third one. See, 7 by 6 multiply by 2 by 9. Here 6 and 2 is cancelable. 2 multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 3s is 6. So nothing else is cancelable. Only cross way we can cancel, not numerator and numerator we cannot cancel. Denominator and denominator we cannot cancel at all. Only this way cross or this way cross. If they are multiples of same number, then only. So now what? 7 is remaining into 1 is remaining here, numerator, and denominator 3 into 9 is remaining. So 7 1s are 7 upon 3 9s are 27. Finished. This is over. Now we come to this practice set 12, question number 2. Ashok Rao planted bananas as on 2/7 of his field. 2/7 part of his field he has planted bananas of 21 acres. His total field is having 21 acres. Out of the 21 acres, 2/7 part banana is planted. So what is the area of the banana plantation? This we have to find out. So total land is how much? Total land is equal to 21 acres. Yes. So part of the plant, part of the land banana planted. It is given that is equal to 2/7. Therefore, area of the banana plantation. Area of the banana plantation. This is equal to 2/7 of means multiply of his field is 21. Now this way and this way cross we can cancel. They are multiples of the same number. See 7 1 7, 7 3 is 21. 7 1 7, 7 3 is 21. So numerator into numerator. What is left now? Numerator into numerator. That is 2 into 3 upon denominator. Nothing is there here. Means think it as 1. So 1 into 1. 1 into 1. That is equal to 3 to the 6. 6 by 1 on the 1. That is equal to 6 acres. So in 6 acres of land, banana plantation is done. So this is the last two topics, that is reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse. Now this and division. Next topic is division of fractions. This is the last topic of the chapter. All the exercise you have to complete and complete the homework and complete the full chapter. Now see what is reciprocal, or it is also called as multiplicative inverse. 2/5 is the example given. Example 1, 2/5. So reciprocal or multiplicative inverse of 2/5. 2/5 is 5/2. Just you have to make it ulta. Yes, convert it. 2 is the numerator, now it is become the denominator. Here 5 is denominator and 5 became the numerator, just the opposite. So that is called as reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of 2/5 is 5/2. One example only is enough, it's very easy. Now, see what is the result of the product of this fraction and its reciprocal. So, that is product of fraction and its reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Reciprocal. See, example here, this same example I will take 2/5. So this is equal to, this is the fraction, multiply product. Multiply its reciprocal means 5/2. So 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 cancel, 2 ones are 2 ones are cancel. 1/1 remaining, that is equal to 1. So always remember that the product of fraction and its reciprocal, the result is only 1. Let the fraction be any. So I will take another example. Suppose 5/6 is there. So this is equal to 5/6 is the fraction, multiply by its reciprocal 6/5. 5 cancel, 6 cancel, it is equal to 1/1, that is equal to 1. So product of a fraction and its reciprocal is always equal to as 1. Now we'll go with the next topic, division of fractions. Division of fractions cannot be done. We have to take the reciprocal of the second fraction and multiply. So here, this is equal to 2/3 given, 2/3 divided by 5/6. 5/6. So you take 2/3 as it is. Division converts into multiplication And second fraction you have to take the reciprocal. That is 5 by 6. So it is 6 by 5. If I multiply this, when I write the multiplication sign, then second fraction reciprocal must be written. Same fraction you cannot write with the multiplication sign. So now here 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3 twos are 6. 2 and 5 cannot be cancelled. So this is over. This is multiplication is over. So 2 into 2, numerator into numerator. Now we come to the multiplication of fractions. 2 into 2 upon 1 into 5. So it is equal to as 2 to the 4 by 5 on the 5. This is the answer. Now second example, the same way 1 by 5 I will take, then division changes it to multiplication, and this one you have to take the reciprocal, that is 4 by 3. Here nothing is cancelable, so directly multiply the numerators. 1 into 4 upon denominator 5 into 3. 4 1 the 4 upon 5 3 the 50. This is over. Next one. 6 equal to 6 by 7 multiplied by reciprocal, you take 5 by 3. 5 by 3. Now, here 5 and 7 cannot be cancelled. 3 and 6 can be cancelled. 3 1 the 3, 3 2 is 6. So, 2 is left here into 5 upon 7 into 1. So, this is equal to as 2 5 the 10, 10 by 7. This is improper fraction, so I can convert it into mixed fraction as 10 divided by 7. 7 1 is 7, 3 is remaining. So 1 is the whole number, come to this remainder, 1 put a dash, then 3 upon 7. This is the answer. So after multiplying, if you get an improper fraction, convert it into mixed fraction. This is proper fraction, this is proper fraction. So no need to do anything with this. Only this is improper. So convert into mixed fraction. So this topic, division of fraction is over. This is the last topic of this chapter.